Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to hide all your TikTok videos at once by making them private. This is perfect if you want more privacy or don't want others to see your content. So first, open TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, what you need to do is tap the three lines in the top right corner. So this will open your settings menu. And once you're in here, below you need to click on settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and under content and display, you need to click on activity center. And once you're on activity center, look for manage post visibility and click on it. So select the videos that you want to hide. Select as many as you want. And once done, select on next. So next you have three choices, followers, friends, and only you. Make sure you select on only you and click on update. And the visibility has been updated. And that's it. That's how you hide your TikTok videos and make them private. So if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And that's it. Thanks for watching.